I built several apps. I loved vibe coding. I spent thousands of dollars, many hours. The apps work, but that doesn't mean that anybody's using them. And honestly, I don't want to spend the next year of weekends posting, guessing, buying ads just to waste a bunch of more money or pretending I have a marketing system when I actually don't. So I'm turning this into an experiment. Come along with me. Welcome to First User Finder, where I test practical, ethical ways small app builders can find their first real users. I'm Deborah, and I'm starting with my own app, Make Again. The question I'm trying to answer is simple. Once you've built an app, how do you actually get for the first people to notice it, try it, and use it? Not in a fake guru way, not go viral overnight, not just post more, not irritate the people on Reddit or irritate your friends. I want to test this in a way that is practical, measurable, and honest. What got seen? What got clicked? Did anybody sign up? Did anyone actually use the app? Where did people drop off? That's what User Finder is all about. The first app I'm using as a field test is MakeAgain. MakeAgain is a recipe app for people who cook from online recipes. You paste in a recipe URL, and the apps turn the recipe into a cleaner cooking view. Without the ads, no pop ups, tiny text, endless scrolling that make wet recipe websites so annoying when all you're trying to do is actually cook. The core idea is simple: cook from any recipe, then keep the ones you actually want to make. Again, so the app works, the question is, can I find the people who actually need this? So I had this thought: how can I know if any given strategy is effective? And I watched a video from Y Combinator that talked about how founders understand their funnel, their sales funnel, and that really they have the end customer in mind and they know all of the steps to go through their funnel to gain the number of customers that they would like. The first user finder funnel consists of peaks, clicks, starts, first wins, returns, pays, and shares. A peak means somebody saw the app or the content. A click means they cared enough to visit. A start means they signed up or began to use it. But the most important part is the first win, the first action that proves that someone was actually using the software and experiencing value. For Make Again, the funnel is peaks, clicks, starts, the first recipe, cook mode, kept recipes, coming back, and finding enough value that they pay for a subscription. The first real one is not just signing up. It's somebody who is importing recipes, seeing the clean cooking experience. That's the moment I need to measure because that gives me insight that people love my app. The first experiment I'm planning is simple. Can a before and after video demo get busy home cooks to click? The message I'm testing is recipe websites are built for ads, not cooking. I'll show the messy recipe website experience, then show what happens when that recipe goes into Make Again's clean cook mode. Then I'll track what happens: views, clicks, signups, and most importantly, first recipe imports. If you've built an app and you're stuck at the "now how do I get users" stage, subscribe and follow along. I'll share the experiments, the numbers, what worked, what flopped, and what I'm testing next. And please leave a comment. Where do you think MakeAgain.app should look for its first users? YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, cooking creators, Facebook groups, or somewhere else? See you in the next experiment.